Welcome back, YouTube. It's OldChevy4x4. Today, guys, got a real quick repair video for you. So I just got home from work earlier this week. On the way home, I was driving my truck, my 2000 Tacoma with a 3.4, and it threw a check engine light. So I got home, stuck it on an old scanner here. P0120, I believe that said. Should be throttle position sensor. So I cleared the code, went to bed that night, got up the next morning to go to work, fired the truck up, instantly came right back on. So I knew we had a situation there. Went ahead and ordered the part, found one online for like 30 bucks. And it just arrived today. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it in there, and it's going to take less time to put this in than it's taken to intro and outro this video. So without further ado, let's check it out. Guys, this is truly one of those easy repairs you just don't mind doing after work. So all you need to do is get a sensor and go find a screwdriver. The sensor itself is located back here on the back side of the throttle body. I'll go ahead and remove this hose, that vacuum hose there, or vent hose, whatever, to get a little better access to it. You can see it's plugged in here. It's going to be two screws, two Phillips head screws, and that sucker will come right out of there. Well, the hardest part about this will be getting this stupid plug off. I can't squeeze real hard. Okay. For those that don't know me, my left hand's kind of gimped up, so it doesn't work too well. But yeah, that's not too bad. And I'll get over here. I'm not going to lie to you, I already broke this loose, specifically for the fact that I was going to be doing this left-handed. But doesn't take but a second. Alright, let's check the specs out right quick, make sure everything's the same. That's the old one, that's the new one, model numbers are the same. And we'll go ahead and get it slapped back in. Before I do put it back in, I'm going to put a little dielectric grease in there, because there's a couple things that I'm a big fan of. It's dielectric grease and never sees, which I will put a dab on both these screws, because especially working with aluminum that heats up, never sees can be invaluable. You ever need to take something back apart. Alright. I mean, all said and done, guys, like I said, it took me longer to get the camera out and to set stuff up to take a quick video. So just a real quick history on this truck. Like I said, it's a 2000 model. It's got like 194 and change on the clock, so just under 195,000 miles. And this is the second sensor to go out in this truck. The first one was a downstream oxygen sensor, and it was probably, think about this, about 28,000 miles ago, and it's been going just fine ever since. So let's get the code cleared out, start the truck up, and see what happens, shall we? Alrighty, guys, there you have it. I want to call that one a success. Been running for a few minutes, and no check engine light, so we're good to go, in theory. That's all I have for y'all. As always, thank you very much for watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments and all that good stuff. Y'all do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.